Let's get started with the body scrub, okay? So we have 1 cup of brown sugar, and this is going to help exfoliate your skin and also blend your skin tone. We have 1 teaspoon of papaya, and papaya also exfoliates your skin and give it that nice blend with your skin tone. We have tamanu oil, which is great at moisturizing your skin. We have grapeseed oil, which is also good at moisturizing your skin as well. We have hazelnut oil. Hazelnut is good for blending that skin tone, and these are all beneficial with exfoliating that dead skin cell and also blending your areas where there's actually, marks or blemishes. It blends everything out. So we're gonna put all these ingredients into this jar and make a nice brown sugar scrub. So first we're just going to put the grapeseed oil in. This is the hazelnut. And then we're going to just add the brown sugar. So this concludes our DIY natural skincare, the scrub and the body butter. I can't wait for you guys to try this. Leave your comments down below of what you thought about it, and just let me know what you want me to do next time, okay? Bye.
Hit the subscribe button and press like on the video. See you next time.